Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable normal mode for ambient sound control on your AirPods Pro 3. You have to start by open settings, and your headphones should be connected with your phone. Then at the top you'll find headphones line. Tap at that line, or you can also find this menu if you go to the Bluetooth and click the information icon near to your earbuds. And right here we have ambient sound control, so right here we have ANC, transparency and adaptive mode. And we can enable normal mode. You need to scroll down, and at the bottom you'll find off listening mode. Enable this mode, then click OK. And now if we return to ambient sound control, as you can see now we have off, and this one is actually normal mode. So you can tap on it and use normal mode. If you don't need this mode, scroll down and just disable off listening mode. And as you can see, again we have it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.